Good day everyone. Right now I'm replacing wheel bearing for this car, and this is the old one and this is the new one. So this wheel bearing has a magnet on this side, and if you're working with this kind of wheel bearing with the magnet, make sure that you install this in the correct order or in the correct way. So you have to make sure that your new wheel bearing has the same with the old ones with the magnet. So let me open this to show you this new one. Right, there you go. Sorry, I just holding a phone, that's why I'm working with the one hand to open this one. And right there you go. So this is the new one, and you can see there's a magnet on this side, and if you can see here, there's a magnet. There you go. So this magnet facing inward, not outward. You have to make sure that you're putting it in the right way, or else you're going to have a problem with ABS warning light. So the magnet for the wheel bearing goes here at the back of your knuckle or your wheel hub, and that's the wheel speed sensor installed. And yeah, we're gonna press the wheel bearing here, and I will show you. So let me remind you guys that if you're working with a wheel bearing job, make sure to follow the right step or procedure of replacing the wheel bearing, because if you install it in the other way, you're gonna see that the ABS warning light in your dash is not gonna turn off, guys. You have to make sure that the magnet side of the wheel bearing is facing the wheel speed sensor. Sometimes if you have a problem with the ABS, it might be that you have a problem with your wheel bearing. So yeah, make sure to check the wiring harness, or just bring it to your nearest trusted auto mechanic or nearest authorized dealership. Thank you.